What's the meaning of coat check? Coat check. Coat check.
Coat check. Coat check. Coat check refers to a service provided at social events or restaurants where guests can leave their coats with an attendant in exchange for a claim ticket. The attendant then stores the coats securely and returns them to the guests when they present the claim ticket. This service is usually provided during colder months or in locations where coat storage is limited. The benefit of coat check is that guests can enjoy their event or dining experience without having to worry about carrying their coats around with them.